Guys, today after a busy day of work, we spontaneously decided to go for a quick hike. We had 15 minutes to pack and prepare. Right now we're in Santana, where we're gonna start the hike called Levada de Caldeirão Verde.
Levada de Caldeirão Verde is one of the most popular trails on Madeira. I would say it's even a top 3. It's very busy and we didn't expect it's gonna be so busy today. The parking lot is packed and we're expecting to see a lot of tourists on the trail. It might slow us down a bit, as we know Levadas are very narrow and it's gonna be difficult to walk both ways, but we're already here, so let's go and see it ourselves.
People love it so much because this trail isn't very challenging, it's also not too steep. The incline is just 100 meters, so you probably will not even notice that. On the way you're going to see a few beautiful waterfalls, that's what we're hoping for, so let's go! Let's go!
Right away the trail surprised me on how green is it. It gives a real jungle vibe. Just beautiful.
Hey guys, so we finally got to the first waterfall. It's extremely beautiful, but we're waiting for more. So now it's time for our headlamps, as right now we're going to enter our first tunnel.
Go ahead.
Let's go! We've got 2 kilometers till the end, and right now we're going to enter the second cave. Lights on, and let's go!
No way, this one is so dark and sketchy. These tunnels are so cool. This one particularly takes about 200 meters, maybe a little bit more. Hard to tell, but it's so dark. We couldn't pass it without a flashlight. And those tunnels can change your regular hike to a real adventure.
And it was really cool.
Finally, we got out of the forest and we can see the first views. Whoa! It's a very narrow road. Alright, we asked some people for guidance and apparently we are just 5 minutes away from the main waterfall. I'm so excited to see it.
Woohoo! We've made it!
After seeing the waterfall, we're ending our hike.
And right now we can head back home. Thank you for watching, we hope that you enjoyed this hike with us, and see you in the next one!
Don't miss this hike whenever you will visit Madeira yourself.